Welcome to our guide to replacing the batteries in your SpiroConnect. The battery level can be seen in the software. When this is at 20%, we recommend replacing them. The device uses 2 AA batteries. If you have a new device, these will be provided in the package. The device uses very little power. The batteries should last 6 to 12 months. This depends on the level of testing you are carrying out. Ensure you use good quality AA batteries. Rechargeable batteries are not recommended. On the side of the SpiroConnect is the battery door. It can be tricky to open, but press in on the tab at the back and then open the battery cover. It opens like a book, as seen here, rather than sliding open. Ensure you insert the replacement batteries in the same directions. There are symbols indicating the direction inside the unit. Once the new batteries are inserted, slide the door back into the recess and click it back into place. Test that the device powers on by pressing the power button. Then you are ready to resume testing.